You're full of ideas. But getting real work out of AI still takes a prompt engineer. Pile too much into one chat. Many roles, deep thinking, a real debate. And the whole thing gets confused. The answers turn to mush. What if you didn't have to engineer every prompt? What if you could simply ask? Meet Vela Ordo, your AI workforce, assembled in plain words. No prompts to engineer. No team to hire. You bring the idea. Vela brings the team. 3 ways to put your team to work. Each one asks less of you and gives back more. Level 1. Build your own experts. Open the Vela app and just describe who you need. A market researcher, a brand copywriter, a contract reviewer. 30 seconds later, your agent is ready. No prompt engineering, no setup. Ever. Then connect once, and your whole team works inside whatever AI you already love. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, you name it. Now each expert brings its own role and instructions. Your chat stays simple, and the AI actually gets smarter. Ask one question, and your specialists play their parts and answer together. Real multi-agent teamwork in a single window. Level 2. The best ideas aren't typed. They're talked through. It's 2 in the morning, and inspiration strikes. Open a voice room, and a whole advisory board joins in seconds, each with their own voice and expertise. And unlike most real meetings, they actually did the reading. Hand over your documents, and every advisor walks in having studied every page. Think out loud, and they think with you. A business advisor stress tests your model. A tech advisor checks what's feasible. A creative advisor challenges your assumptions. They build on each other and surface the blind spots you'd miss alone. And the moment you're done, your notes and decisions are already written up. Level 3. The big leap. Stop managing entirely. Just describe the goal in plain words. Launch my newsletter. Research this market. No commands, no codes to learn. An AI team lead takes it from there. It pulls in the right specialists and puts each one on the right part of the job. They move the work forward on their own. And they only come back when a call genuinely needs you. Everything else just gets done. It's all tracked in one place, start to finish. So nothing gets lost. If a single AI is an employee, Vela Agent Teams is the whole company. Build it. Talk it through. Hand it off. Whatever you need done, your team is ready. Free to start. No credit card. Set up in 30 seconds. You bring the idea. Vela brings the team. Visit velaordo.com.